In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the bulk send feature in DocuSign to streamline your document signing process. This will save you enormous amounts of time, especially when you're dealing with multiple recipients. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser and log into your DocuSign account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. But for those of you who are already registered, simply input your login credentials and hit enter. This will take you to your DocuSign dashboard, which is your central hub for managing documents. Next, you need to prepare a CSV file that contains the recipient information. A CSV file is basically a simple spreadsheet where you'll list all the names and email addresses of the people you want to send documents to. Open a program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to do this. Make sure you have two columns, one for the recipient's names and another for their email addresses. This file acts as the core of the bulk send function, so double check that all the information is correct to avoid any mix-ups later in the process. Once your CSV file is ready, head back to your DocuSign account where the next thing you'll want to do is create or select a pre-existing template. Templates are incredibly handy as they let you specify what fields need filling out and by whom, be it signatures, dates, or initials. If you don't have a template set up, take a moment to create one tailored to your needs. Otherwise, simply select an appropriate one you've previously created. With your template ready to go, it's time to access the bulk send feature. This function is designed to help you send out envelopes to multiple recipients in one go, rather than having to send them out individually. Navigate to the bulk send option on your dashboard, and when prompted, upload the CSV file you prepared earlier. Now comes the important step of mapping the CSV columns to the correct fields within your template. You'll need to ensure that each recipient's name and email in the CSV aligns perfectly with the corresponding placeholders in your template. DocuSign may guide you through this by offering an easy drag and drop interface, or you may be prompted to manually select them. Take your time here. Proper mapping is crucial to ensure each document is correctly personalized before sending. After everything looks good and the fields are properly connected, you're all set. Click on the send button to distribute your documents in bulk. DocuSign will handle the rest, delivering your envelopes to each recipient as you've specified. And that's it! You've just streamlined your signing process using the bulk send feature, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.